Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix newsletter pop-up on Wix. So, if your Wix newsletter pop-up is glitchy, not showing or not collecting emails correctly, no worries. Today I will show you exactly how to fix your newsletter pop-up on Wix and get it working smoothly in just few easy steps. First, sign into your Wix account, go to your dashboard, click on the Wix website that you want to edit, click on edit site option at the top right. This is going to take you to your Wix editor. Now, locate your pop-up. You can click on pages and menu option just right here, and here you'll have to basically switch to the pop-ups tab. You might find it under lightboxes. So you'll have to basically select the pop-up you want to fix and click edit. After doing that, you'll have to click on the setting icon for the pop-up, and under display settings, check when the pop-up is triggered, and options include on-page load after a delay, when scrolling, etc. Adjust the timing or trigger if necessary so it shows up when you want it to. Now, if the pop-up isn't collecting emails properly, click on the form inside the pop-up. Then click on form settings and make sure that the form is connected to Wix, contacts or your email marketing list. Check that the submit button is properly linked to an action like add to contact list or send an email notification. Now switch to a mobile view in the editor, check that the pop-up appears correctly and isn't hidden or misplaced, and resize or reposition elements if needed to fit smaller screens. Now once you're happy with the fixes, click save to store the changes, click publish to update your live website, and now your newsletter pop-up should work perfectly both on desktop and mobile. And that's how easy it is to fix your Wix newsletter pop-up. By double checking triggers, form settings and mobile design, you will make sure visitors see it. And more importantly, sign up. Subscribe for more quick Wix tutorials, and I will see you in the next guide.